How to download Duolingo on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Duolingo on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the Play Store, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in Duolingo and search for it. And now here on the search result, just tap on Duolingo option, and after that you can just tap on the install button, which can be seen on the next page. And now here, once you tap on it, the installation process will start. Now from here, you just have to wait for some time for it to be installed, and once the app installs, you can just tap on open button to launch the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.